So hello you guys, welcome to day 3 of making 10 lakh rupees from dropshipping. To know the reference of this particular documenting series, you have to go and watch our first 2 episodes in which I have told you the introduction, what we are going to do in this challenge. Along with that, store customization and how I did my product research and customize my product page accordingly. So in this day 3 episode, I'll be running my testing ad campaigns and how much budget I'm going to put and what are the things that you should do while running your testing ad campaigns. So we are going to do all of this in this particular video. So stay tuned. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, you have to select the objective of your sales campaign. That will be the sales. And now you will be given this 2 options whether you can go on with the advantage shopping campaign or else you can go with the manual sales campaign. So I'll be choosing manual sales campaign. Once selecting this, you will have the option of going with the ABO and CBO ads. This particular time I will be going with the ABO ads so that I'll have more control over my budget and which type of audience I'm actually trying to target. Now let's go to next. And you have to select website because you want your conversion to go on the particular website of yours and your conversion event should be purchased. So once doing that, you also have to select a budget. So the optimal budget for the testing is around 1 to 1200 or below 2000 it's fine. So I think 800 is fine. And after this, you have to select the date time. So after selecting the time, we have to choose the location in which particular location you want to run your ads. Right now we are continue doing with the Indian dropshipping, so we will be selecting the location India. You have this option of going with advantage plus audience campaign. So if you want, you can go ahead with this one. So in this testing sales ad campaign, I'm going to do the detailed targeting so that I'll have a more control on my budget, how I'm actually spending, and I want to particularly target those audience who are actually looking for these kind of herbal products. I'll be searching for herbal products, natural products, back pain, and something related to more orthopedic and pain related, and also those who are more than 30 to 60, they have this 60 to 70, they have this problem of joint and back. So they are the target audience who are going to need this pain relief oil more. So we will be going with that. So while you are targeting your audience, you have to get into the mindset of the customers, like what they are looking for if they are having any problem. Like if I have a hair care problem, though I'll be keep on searching for those hair care products that will help me to reduce my hair fall. So you have to get into the mindset of the customer, what they are actually looking for. So once doing that, I'll go with the advantage plus placement campaigns. If I'll choose this one, so Facebook is going to recommend more set of ad creatives. You have to select the Facebook page also and select the media. I would suggest to go with at least like make 3 ad sets, and along with that add different videos in all the ad sets so the best one can perform really well. So once doing that, you have to put the headline. So I have researched some good headlines for my product, so that I have kept in the notepad. So I'll be going with that, and if you want, you can take the help of ChatGPT to create a more creative headline for your product. So it will help them to convert more. And you also have to select the call of action. So your call of action should be order now or shop now, so that they can directly go to your page. So once doing this, you have to put the website URL, like the product page URL, not your website URL. Most of the people do get confused with that. So make sure in the website URL you have to put your product page URL. And for tracking of your sales campaign and your conversion, you have to add your pixel ID to your app Like for this pixel tracking, I use One Pixel. That is a free app that I've already told you in the day one video. If you want multiple pixel tracking, you are using multiple ad accounts and you want to keep a track, then I would suggest go for Orichi. By using that particular app, you can manage multiple and track your multiple ad accounts. So once doing this, I will be creating 3 ad sets with different video ads and different written creatives, and let's see which one is going to perform best, so that I have a great knowledge like which video ad creatives are getting me more conversion. So in this way, I'll have a more detailed testing while I'll get the conversion after running this particular testing ads for 1.5 days. So after this, I'm going to publish this. And after publishing it, you have to wait until it gets active. So once it is active, your ad campaigns will start getting some sales, and if it has some ad error, then you have to fix it. So yeah guys, this is how we have run our testing ad campaigns for Adivasi Pain Relief Oil. Now I'll be doing the same for all my 4 other products. So if I'll keep on showing you the making of all the sales ad creatives, it will take more than 40 minutes to complete this whole video. So I'll be doing that in a little time lapse so that you'll have the whole idea. But whatever important things that you need to know about the sales campaigns, I have already told you in this one. So I'll be doing the same for all my 3 products, but this time it is going to be in a time lapse.
So it's in the middle of the night. अभी बज रहे हैं 12:30. I just came here to check कि मेरे ad campaigns active हुए हैं कि नहीं. Like I said कि मेरे सारे जितने भी campaigns मैंने schedule करे थे 12 बजे के लिए, they all are active now. और अभी सेल आना भी शुरू हो गई है, क्योंकि हमने थोड़ा बजट जो लगाया था वो 800 to 1000 के बीच में था. मैंने आदिवासी पेन रिलीफ का जो लगाया था वो 800 बजट लगाया था फॉर टेस्टिंग. आदिवासी हेयर ऑयल और बाकी सबका मैंने 1,000 रुपये लगाए थे फॉर टेस्टिंग, ताकि हमें थोड़ी जल्दी रिजल्ट्स मिले कि एक्चुअल में कितना कन्वर्जन आ रहा है. तो अभी हमारे एड सारे एक्टिव हो गए हैं एंड आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड कि कल क्या रिजल्ट्स रहते हैं. तो उसी के हिसाब से वी विल बी गोइंग टू स्केल फर्दर. एंड वंस यू हैव स्टार्टेड टेस्टिंग, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप सिर्फ एक एड क्रिएटिव नहीं टेस्ट कर रहे हो. एटलीस्ट यूज 3 to 4, 3 इज मिनिमम. ट्राई टू एड मोर एड क्रिएटिव्स, लाइक अलग अलग रिटन क्रिएटिव्स ट्राई करो, अलग अलग वीडियो क्रिएटिव्स ट्राई करो, ताकि जो बेस्ट हो यू विल हैव द होल आइडिया कि कौन सा विनिंग है और कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा बेस्ट रिजल्ट दे के आ रहा है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ होल थिंग्स वर्क while in the testing period. और टेस्टिंग के लिए यू कैन यूज़ $50 लिमिट अकाउंट. उनमें क्या रहती है, $50 की लिमिट होती है, लाइक अराउंड 4000 यू कैन स्पेंड इन अ डे. तो वो अकाउंट्स काफ़ी सस्ते भी होते हैं, वो 300 to 400 के एड अकाउंट्स मिल जाते हैं फ्रॉम द सप्लायर. इफ़ यू गाइज वॉन्ट एनी अकाउंट्स फॉर टेस्टिंग ऑल्सो, देन वी डू हैव अ सप्लायर जिससे आप एड अकाउंट्स खरीद सकते हो. यू कैन गो ऑन व्हाट्सएप एंड आस्क फॉर द एड अकाउंट्स for the testing accounts. My team is going to reply you and will provide you the number of the supplier. So ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेनी है. सारी चीज़ें हम काफ़ी डिटेल्ड में ये प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटिंग सीरीज़ बना रहे हैं, सो दैट ones who are actually want to start dropshipping, they don't suffer, like they don't have to look around कि हाँ कहाँ से सारी चीज़ें हम जुगाड़ें. So now my ads are active now. So let's wait for tomorrow to see what the results are. So ये थोड़ा vlog format में हो गया, but see you tomorrow and let's see how much conversion we have got.
The next morning.
No. Wait.
So I was quite really pissed that my ad account was suspended, but without wasting a lot of time, I decided to make my ad campaigns again. It was already start of the day, but I still managed to make my ad campaigns again. This time I used another agency ad account so that this ad account will be quite strong one, so that my ad account won't get suspended. I spent around 1.5 hours while making all these sales campaigns for all my products, and once I was done with my
sales campaign, I published them quickly. So I'll be checking them again on 6 p.m. to see what is the progress. If any of the campaigns that are not performing well, I'm going to stop them immediately, and the ones that are performing well, we can go ahead with that. So guys, you have to wait for at least like 1 to 2 days. Till then your ad campaigns will get optimized, because optimization is very important. In the day one, it is quite common that you are going to get a high cost per purchase. So without any panics, you don't have to take these kind of decision very quickly. You just have to wait patiently and see which ad campaigns are performing well. Maybe there will be few ad sets that will be very good and few won't get any sale to you, so you have to be very patient in this process of testing. So I'll wait till 6 p.m. and let's see what happens next.
Later that day.
सो गाइस, जितने भी चैलेंज मैंने आज तक किए हैं वो तो थोड़े बहुत ठीक रहे हैं, बट दिस चैलेंज इज गेटिंग इनटू माय नर्व्स, क्योंकि एज यू गाइस ऑलरेडी नो, मॉर्निंग में मेरा जो टेस्टिंग एड कैंपेन्स के मैंने रन किए थे मेरे एड अकाउंट पे, दैट एड अकाउंट वाज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड. सो समहाउ आई ट्राइड टू मैनेज विद द न्यू एड अकाउंट एंड रन माय टेस्टिंग एड कैंपेन्स इन अ न्यू एड अकाउंट. बट दिन खत्म होते होते एक और बैड न्यूज है. That is, my Shopify store has got suspended too. So guys, ये challenge काफी ज़्यादा हद तक खराब हो गया है, but we are not going to give up this time, and these are the very realistic problems जो कि आती ही आती हैं as a dropshipper. So guys, हमें हार नहीं माननी है, and we are going to keep up this challenge until I reach 10 lakh.